Good morning, ma'am. I am Shania Sawan, your first year nursing student from MCMT. So, may I know your name and your date of birth?
My name is Jocelyn Cruz, ma'am. I was born on February 15, 2005.
Okay, so today I will be assessing your posterior thorax, including your lungs po. So, I will just perform hand hygiene and habang nag-hand hygiene po ako, pwede po bang magpalit po muna kayo? Okay. Okay, ma'am. So, before we proceed po, may I ask you some questions if it is okay? May difficulty breathing po ba kayo today or the past days? Naninigarilyo po ba kayo or umiinom?
Hindi po.
May vitamins po ba kayo para sa mga may pag nahirapan kayo huminga? Okay. Talibad na po tayo, ma'am.
So the first thing to do in assessing the thorax and lungs is we need to inspect the posterior thorax, examine the skin, the bones, muscle of the spine and the shoulder blades and back, as well as the symmetry of expansion and accessory muscle used during respiration. Assess the anteroposterior and lateral diameters of the thorax. And then palpate over the spine. Use the palmar surface of the hand to palpate for tenderness, muscle development, and masses. And then, next thing to do is to remove our gloves to feel the temperature of the posterior thorax, and we need to use the dorsal part of our hand because this is the most sensitive on temperature or on heat.
Okay, so the next thing to do is we need to palpate for the tactile pruritus and we will ask the client to say 99. Okay, ma'am, can you say 99 for me, please?
99,
Next.
99,
Next.
99,
Okay, next.
99,
Okay, next.
99,
Okay.
99.
Okay. And then we have to check for the chest expansion and we have to put our hands on the P9 or T10 of the patient. Okay? Inhale, ma'am. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. And then next is the percussion. We have to percuss in a zigzag motion. Estoy. Estoy. Ako wait mo po. Ano to na?
The last thing to do in assessing the thorax is to auscultate the lungs across and down the posterior thorax to the bases of lungs as the patient breathes slowly and deeply through the mouth.
Inhale, ma'am. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale.
After finishing assessing the thorax and lungs, assist the patient in replacing the gown and perform hand hygiene.